Ever seen a Corvette driving in water? But this is not a car, it's a boat created like a Mustang.
Are you kidding me?
Run.
Let's get into the video. Now here is a very insane clip. After avoiding hitting the car driver, she drives his car and hits that driver back. Payback time.
A few moments later.
These cars are definitely from Need for Speed. Look at those drifts.
Run.
My new car after 5 minutes in GTA 5. That's going to leave a mark here.
Run.
RC cars are a cool thing to have.
Do it! Just do it!
That's something you need. A sideways popcorn maker. Turn up the volume to listen to the sound of Porsche 992 GT3.
That sounds good.
She will be like, I must have missed a spot here. Hint, it's a GDM. Fact, other than giving us great cars, Japan also gave us drifting, aka Tokyo Drift. This is the actual footage of me as a cop. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Sliding into the next garage for new tires for next week will be like...
Okay, let's go.
I'm sure you haven't seen flames like this. The driver's drifting skills are insane. Quick fact, drifting's Japanese roots can be traced back to the 1970s. It's not a car, it's a fighter jet. Audi RS e-tron, how do you like the interior?
Oh my god!
Look what's inside its exhaust. I can feel the heat. I can feel the heat. The perfect Audi R8. Can you guess the time it ran?
Run.
The driver is on its way to Los Santos Customs.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
This is something different. Look at this car.
Shit everywhere.
Now here's the video of a driver saving his car from a crash. Now here is a burnout that will blow you away.
A few minutes later.
The reason why I have fire extinguishers in my car. Now that's a lot of power.
It's time to stop!
Here is a very weird clip. In this clip, this guy smashes his hood under the Supra, and while going through the last wheels, it launches backwards very fast.
Are you kidding me?
Run.
Quick fact: concept cars were never intended to become reality, and they rarely become production vehicles. This Lamborghini SUV is amazing.
A few moments later.
Cadillac SUVs are a thing. Quick fact: Cadillac built the first Escalade in Arlington, Texas on February the 8th, 1998. Don't drink and drive. Quick fact: more times than not, car accidents are a result of someone's carelessness or a movement of distraction. Here is a prime example of stupid guys with fast cars. Stupid guys with fast cars. Here is a Dodge Charger drifting its way out on a bad time.
Okay, let's go.
Have you ever seen a blinky car?
You wanna see me do it again?
Here is another popcorn maker for the day. Here, in this clip, these two boys are recording the fast-going car. While doing that, they get slammed into the wall. This clip is surely the real-life GTA. Call Trevor here.
I gotta get out of here. Yeah. Oh shit.
Remember GTA 5? But they are shooting a movie here.
Run.
Who says mini trucks can drift? Wait, you are right. Here's a very serious video showing factory car pumpers.
Bumper guards on it is seeing a 1LE Camaro making fun of the challengers with floaties.
Are you kidding me?
Now this is something unique. This is a Bugatti SUV concept. They would look pretty good. Here's my reaction when I get my favorite thing.
I can't even be mad at it.
Speaking of unique rides, have you ever seen something like this on your commute?
What's going on here?
Run.
I hope you learned something new today, and I have 2 more videos for you to check out. So don't forget to watch them, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!